I think I'm getting another cold. Been sneezing and sneezing all day. My friend come round the other day, she's come out in a cold. I think I've got another cold on top of this cold. Can't stop sneezing. It's been since lunchtime, constant sneezing. My nose is dripping. My friend come out in a cold 2 days ago. So congested and sniffly. She's been sneezing everywhere. She said it was allergies, but obviously it isn't. They just keep passing the colds back and forth to each other. I need to itch my nose. Nose is just so full. I'm either itching, sneezing, blowing, sniffing and sniffing. It's getting better, but still I've done this sneeze. It's blood. It's just constant, all the time. Really need to sneeze. I really need to sneeze. My nose is red and my eyes are streaming. My nose is streaming. I feel like I need to sneeze all the time. I hope it's not another cold. My nose is on fire. Oh, bless me. I needed that. I need to do some more on them. Bless me again. So my friend that's probably infected me is here right now. She's passing me tissue. I need another tissue, please. Now. No, it's getting urgent. I need to sneeze. Tick on my nose. So congested. There you go, you can have the tissue back now. Oh no, pass me that box of tissues, please. Please. Why did you give me this cold? Really? Bless me. Sorry that landed on you, but you've already got cold. Again, I'm so sorry. They're becoming wet again.